Machines are going to be machines, but there's also still a relationship aspect to it. And it also goes between us and our vendors, our builders, and then capital equipment too. A lot of people can loan out money, but it is still a people business.
We've had the pleasure of working with Allegheny Machine Tool since 2018. Since meeting Dan and Dale, we've been able to build an awesome partnership through similar values of putting relationships first. And that's what today's open house is all about. Getting everybody in the manufacturing community together, showing off some machines, making new relationships. Let's go check out the Allegheny open house. All right, I'm here with Dan Ambrogi, so president of Allegheny Machine Tool. Tell us a little bit more about the event. You guys have been doing this for quite a while.
We do the open house on off years of IMTS. So every other year we feel it's a good idea to get local customers in to see the DN Solutions machine, Makina machine, Midatoy machines, everything we rep. And it's good to connect with customers face to face finally. It's still people-to-people business. People buy from people, so we want to see people in person, shake hands, and just have a good time with them while they're here at the open house.
What really separates you guys as a distributor?
So for us, it's mainly customer focus. We strive to make every customer experience the best possible, whether it's their first machine or their 50th machine, whether it's a Doosan, Makina, whatever the brand. They're still buying from Allegheny Machine, so it's our reputation that's on the line. So we treat every customer, every purchase like it's their first machine.
One of the key themes for this event, I feel like, is just that relationship aspect.
Yeah, when we met in 2018?
Yeah, 2018.
2018?
Yeah.
It's been nonstop since then, man.
Always fun doing deals together.
Absolutely.
It's really cool to come up and actually see some of the customers that we've helped.
I told you yesterday that we can deal with a lot of financing companies out there, and you can always approve the large guys, the large customers. They're easy. It's the smaller companies that take additional help and work, and you guys have been amazing with that, and that's something that I will always continue to work with.
It's those win-wins, like you guys are out there trying to find machines for customers, help them grow, and we're a small part of that as well. Allegheny, I think, comes with a certain level of prestige. You guys have a great reputation. What do you think is the biggest thing that drives that?
That's servicing support. I was always told from Bruce Yeager, the founder of Allegheny, and Danny, that the hardest sale is the first machine. The second, third, fourth, fifth, application sells it, service sells it, and the machine tool itself sells it. Without the support system, the applications, and the service side of Allegheny, I wouldn't have a chance to sell a second machine.
As you can see, Allegheny Machine Tool has been really successful in building a business around relationships and putting their customers first. Those are values that Contend Capital shares, and today's event is a great reminder that authentic relationships leads to great business. For more manufacturing content like this, check out our Made in America video series.